My name is Mike. I am the product line manager for La Sportiva North America. The Bushido is a lightweight trail running shoe providing the perfect combination of responsiveness, comfort, and stability with a streamlined fit, excellent traction, and really great underfoot protection. The Bushido features the La Sportiva Friction XT 2.0 dual compound rubber outsole. This has a sticky rubber down the center of the shoe and harder wearing rubber on the sides, which wrap the midsole for increased stability. Also, the 1.5mm 4-foot rock guard provides bomber underfoot protection, while the TPU shanks on the medial and lateral sides of the shoe offer increased stability on off-camber trail conditions. The internal slip-on construction provides a snug sock-like fit which connects your foot to the shoe to the trail around you, while the rear heel stack of 19mm and the 6mm overall drop keeps your foot close to the ground for technical mountain running. The highly breathable air mesh upper keeps your feet cool in the hottest of conditions and dry when you encounter wet terrain. Available now, the La Sportiva Bushido can be found in sizes 7 to 13.5 for men and 5 to 11.5 for women.
Yeah, this one works great. The Ridge Flex represents the pinnacle in our day hike silo. It's built off that Targhee fit, right? So it has that Targhee 3 bottom, which means you get that Targhee really nice wide toe box fit, narrow heel, all-terrain rubber outsole, super durable, grippy lugged outsole, EVA bottom, really comfortable, nice and lightweight, still gives you that nice spring off the trail, but it's designed for durability. The Ridge Flex is also a waterproof boot, so it has our Keen Dry breathable waterproof membrane inside, and adding in some new technology on top of that great Targhee performance, like the Bellows Flex, like the Comfort Heel Control, and really making a super nice new performance version of our classic day hiker. Keen Bellows Flex is something that originally started coming out of our utility business. As we looked at the tradesmen and women out there in the world, and as they were bending and flexing, they were really destroying the top of the boot, right? As you constantly flex across that top piece of leather, you're gonna get some cracking and some wear. So that was really the goal, was to find a way to make a boot more durable and provide longer life for the leather. And because it flexes easier, it means it's a little bit easier for you to walk in, and it just means you get to see more, you get to do more, and kind of produce that more innovative feel on the trail. I really like the Ridge Flex because it represents what we do here. We want to take our product and find ways to do it more interesting, more innovative, and make it better for the fans, and that's what this represents.
Basque is updating the classic Sundowner Gore-Tex to give the fit, feel, and look of the original Italian-made classic. The Sundowner Gore-Tex debuted over 30 years ago and quickly became a favorite among outdoor enthusiasts. The updated style incorporates the original last and classic look that made the boot so popular. Using U.S. leather, tanned in Red Wing, Minnesota for the upper, the Sundowner Gore-Tex has a heritage-inspired look that resonates with hikers of all generations. The poured polyurethane footbed and heel cup have excellent rebound, and a polyurethane midsole offers stability and comfort for logging long miles on the trail. Additionally, Vast designed the Pyrenees outsole to be a modern-day replication of the original that will give the wearer great traction on rough, uneven terrain. The Vast Sundowner is your boot if you're looking for a long, rewarding relationship with your outdoor footwear.
In these shoes, I feel like I'm floating. I can go so much further than I ever expected, and nothing feels better.
Hey everyone, my name is Brian Beckstead, co-founder of Ultra Footwear. We're pretty excited about this new Lone Peak because the evolution of trail continues with the Lone Peak 5. Great new features here. The first is the Lone Peak has Ego. Ego is Altra's awesome midsole compound. It's soft yet incredibly responsive. Really excited about that. Like every Lone Peak in existence, it has a sandwich stone guard, okay? So it's right in the middle of the midsole. Whereas you hit a rock, it actually goes into the midsole before it hits that protective stone guard. Max track outsole with multi-directional lugs. We got downhill lugs, we got uphill lugs. Strongest canted lugs are right over the metatarsals. We've got laser cut holes both in the toe and the side for maximum drainage, but still very protective and secure upper. One exciting thing about the Lone Peak is it now comes in widths. So if you need a little bit more space up there, we have it. Now, like all Altra shoes, we do have that foot-shaped toe box, allows those toes to splay, and that width just adds some additional space for those who need it. It's balance cushioned, like all Altra shoes, allows for a more natural running stride, and really just helps the shoe flow and move naturally. Now the Lone Peak 5, like all Altra trail shoes, does have that gator trap, the double-sided Velcro, and you can easily upgrade to an Altra Gator to keep those rocks, dust, and debris out of it. The Lone Peak 5 does have the 3/4 length gusseted tongue, so the rocks aren't going to sneak down in through the tongue. At 25 millimeters of stack height, this shoe is protective and cushioned. The Lone Peak 5 is the Altra trail icon.
Hi, I'm Tony Post. I'm the founder and CEO of Topo Athletic, and today we're here to talk about the new MT3. MT3 is a lightweight trail running shoe. It has a few different features here, starting with the bottom. First of all, you can see pretty aggressive lug pattern through the bottom, but still a lot of surface area, so good abrasion resistance and slip resistance. If you look at the total stack height here, the shoe is 25 millimeters in the back, 22 in the front, so a 3 millimeter heel to toe drop. This shoe features an Ortholite foam footbed on the inside. The Ortholite foam is a little more resilient, so it resists a compression set or a pack the way you would get in a traditional EVA foam. It's also an antimicrobial foam, so that makes it odor resistant. The shoe itself features a ripstop mesh upper, so a little stronger, lightweight mesh in the upper. And then the Gilly lacing system here just provides a nice security through the midfoot, holding you secure over that platform. On both the medial and lateral side, you can see we've got little drainage ports. The drainage allows water to escape, also allows air to get in. Inevitably, it seems like when you're out on a long hike or trail run, sometimes your feet get wet, and it's nice to just be able to make sure that that water gets out and helps draw air in to make the shoe dry out a little quicker. This shoe weighs in at just 8 ounces in a women's size 7 and 9.9 ounces in a men's size 9. The new MT3 from Topo Athletic, great for trail running, but also a shoe you could wear for travel. It's versatile enough that you can take it on trails, but certainly with enough surface area that you can wear it out on the roads. The new MT3 from Topo Athletic. I hope you give it a try.